LuxMed Drying Cabinet. Ensure safe and fast drying for hospital CSSD and industrial application.
Welcome to LuxMed, a testament to the Make in India mission, a global force redefining health.
Medical CSSD drying cabinets are used to rapidly and safely dry medical instruments, glassware, and other equipment after cleaning, which is a crucial step before sterilization or storage. They circulate controlled warm air, often with a HEPA filter, to eliminate moisture, prevent bacterial growth, and avoid contamination or corrosion. Key uses include drying surgical instruments, endoscopes, laboratory glassware, and medical consumables. And they often have features like automated cycles and RFID technology for enhanced safety and traceability. Primary uses in a CSSD. Surgical instrument drying. After cleaning, instruments like forceps, clamps, and blades are dried to prevent rust and bacterial growth from residual moisture. Endoscope drying. Sensitive equipment like endoscope tubes are dried completely to prevent biofilm formation and microbial growth within the channels. Laboratory glassware drying. Test tubes, beakers, and culture dishes are dried to prevent water stains that could affect experimental accuracy. Dental instrument drying. Precision instruments such as handpiece heads and drills are dried to protect their internal structures and prevent microbial breeding. Storage of medical consumables. Dried items like gauze and catheters can be stored in the cabinet at a constant temperature to prevent moisture and mildew. Key features and benefits. Controlled environment. Cabinets use controlled, warm, filtered air to ensure complete drying. Efficiency. They replace the risk of manual wiping and traditional natural drying, speeding up the process. Infection control. The use of HEPA filters in a closed system helps contain airborne pathogens and particulates, reducing the risk of cross-contamination. Safety and traceability. Advanced models may use RFID technology to track instruments and personnel, which helps minimize cross-contamination risks. Automated cycles. Many cabinets have automated cycles for heating, drying, and shutting off with a single press. Cabinet dryers are used to remove moisture from various materials in a controlled environment, often for preserving food, drying fabrics, or processing other products. They work by circulating heated air within an enclosed chamber, allowing moisture to evaporate. These dryers are commonly used in rural settings for drying fruits, vegetables, and herbs, as well as in industrial settings for drying textiles and other materials. 1. Industrial applications. In various industries, cabinet dryers are used to remove moisture or solvents from materials. They are used in the pharmaceutical, food processing, electronics manufacturing, and materials research industries. For example, they can be used to dry pigments, dyes, pesticides, fabrics, yarns, and fibers. 2. Drying textiles. 3. Food preservation. LuxMed looking for offshore manufacturing partner for inline country that produces goods for local demands and supply to reduce manufacturing costs or access specialized capabilities and technology access to scale global business operation. For details, please revert.